You know, one of the best things about butterfly gardening is coming outside and there's butterflies everywhere. You can just see all of the fluttering about of a variety of types of butterflies, and it's absolutely fabulous. And the only reason why they are here is because I have designed this butterfly garden just for them, to give them everything they need to thrive and live out their full life cycle. And it is such a beautiful thing. In today's world where there is so much building, and here in Florida, so many people are moving to our state, there is building and development everywhere and less habitat. So the more butterfly gardens we can get out in the world, the more of these beautiful creatures will also be out in the world. Look at this beautiful Gulf fritillary right here, enjoying a Mexican sunflower. And he's right here in front of me all the time, all day, every day, almost year round here in Florida. You just gotta know what to plant. You don't have to have an enclosed space like those little butterfly places you go and walk through. They'll stay in your garden. Look at this beautiful giant swallowtail right here, sunning its wings. There's a little Gulf fritillary fluttering around too. Hello, beautiful. This can be your life every day. But not only your life, you're giving them life. A butterfly garden provides crucial habitat, and it supports the complete butterfly life cycle. Not only do you need to have nectar plants for the butterflies, but you also need to include host plants too. And when you put them both together and design a butterfly garden, it puts a little bit more habitat back on our planet. Butterfly gardens create biodiversity, and the full component of participants in the ecosystem must be included. And by including them, it helps keep unwanted pests out. I don't have to treat my dogs for fleas because a flea doesn't stand a chance of surviving in this garden. Butterfly gardens also attract other beneficial wildlife like hummingbirds and bees and other incredible pollinators. Butterfly gardens bring so much life right outside your back door. It's an incredible experience, not only for the butterflies and the caterpillars, but for you as the homeowner to just walk out your back door and have these guys flying all over, have beautiful flowers everywhere, have caterpillars munching on the host plants that you have purposefully planted in your backyard because the whole world needs more habitat. Even if you're just recreating it in a small area in your backyard, every butterfly garden makes a difference. If you're one of my regular subscribers, my regular viewers, and you have a butterfly garden or you were inspired to plant a butterfly garden, I would love it if you would share a little bit of your story in the comments and just what a difference butterfly gardening has made for you and the butterflies that you now see in your backyard, just to help inspire everyone. It doesn't just need to be me talking about it. We're a community here and we can all share our experiences. So I hope this video has given you a little inspiration to either start a butterfly garden or expand your butterfly garden or share this with friends who you want to try and convince that have a butterfly garden. And please tap the like button, and I'll see you in my next video. I post every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. And my Sunday and Tuesday videos are more casual, hang out with me in the garden to see what I'm up to videos. And it's a lot of fun. I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. Bye, everyone.